anyway, your da mensa penkum eso hanumi. Eye Akyem Nsuom Krontihene. Otrendi ye pa. Enam animtie bia odi abu MPP amanyoko no nyina. Na media no mo bia ka ne de. Obia esprene. Obia ka de odwene efa saa papa we ho. Enkopem se the former Akyem kade MP ayefani yenwia Asamoah. Panyini Asamoah na oye the former of yenwia lawyer Ofosu Asamoah ono and I the former MP for the area. Ene okopie mu asasepa atumpan program so. Na some way ye go from no papa we to a criminal kese pa. Oye Galamsey ni oye torture. Je say ne honsem ye kese ye kan kire wa uti ebe pawo. E onim de ya. One nam ho nyina so no. De oye no wo ba bi otie no nye izo. Onye ohene o. Ye si ye tu na de so ama Akyem hene ankasa aba ponten abeka kire ne manmafo se papa wo ya ohunu ho ya o se ono na ye the hierarchy of intelligence no sa ye se onye hene biem enti okototo niema ono ankasa de ne bottom sika toto niema enti NDC foko na nima na odwananum te so ye ohene. The reality is on the floor. What to Galamsey da o sheda a group nkrofo monko Galamsey o man so mon Galamsey tax force sa ni nyina ye sikawia ne honsem abegu abonten na abusua esika kum ye jo kwakwodum ebese me no nyina ye nkore nkonkotie the former MP for Akyem kade yewura lawyer Ofosu Asamoah ebra na o kirikirem hwan ne sa papa wo ye oti hoyi papa wo yotimi bi na no kan de ope edi kiram pipi amanyoko yebeko ne kwakote wi a na yasen aba ha memeso se bo modern kire wadwen so e wo comment section ho na like video no share na comment emfa emame yenko emresisia
awe na ye minya kakra se onipa ne se
honorable members will be tape ya mame because okay menim so free eastern region man unim Akyem Nsuom ye pa.
Oh yeah, my constituency. Okay, is the second largest town apart from Kade.
No, quite.
The show is about the biggest here.
Today, I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just Sankwas. Compared, I call them the Sankwas 5. If President Mahama should decide to contest, this is how the scale will be. All the Sankwas 5, Dr. Baumia, Honorable Kade Japan, Dr. Brana Champong, Edichum, Honorable Kwabneji, all 5 of them should not even go and choose one. It should be all 5 of them on one ballot paper against President Mahama. And this is how the scale will be. All of them there, and then Bahama here. You see, let me one by one so it makes more sense. I'm very sure that Dr. Baumia himself would have gone and sat somewhere quietly if it wasn't for the wife who wants to be a first lady rather so very badly. I think the wife's ambition overshadows his own. As a matter of fact, if Dr. Baumia becomes president, he will be the 3rd person in control. I think so. I think the first person in charge of the actual country will be President Akufo-Addo and his Gabi Ochridako and Co. They will actually be in charge. And then the second person will...
First one, you need more. First one, na you need Hunkomonemo, Samira Dianona, Yanko, some other issues. Labor Commission, former executive secretary, the SA, Yanani Dinko Mobibre, Yanko Yinti.
Today, I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just Sankwas. Compared, I call them the Sankwas 5. If President Mahama should decide to contest, this is how the scale will be. All the Sankwas 5, Dr. Baumia, Honorable Kade Japan, Dr. Brana Champong, Adichum, Honorable Kwabneji, all 5 of them should not even go and choose one. It should be all 5 of them on one ballot paper against President Mahama. And this is how the scale will be. All of them there, and then Mahama here. You see, what was
Maybe way Akyem Nsuom Krontihene Nana Buadi Obudadi the third. Na me kwenu kwa sem friend nana. On deserve some friend nana.
David.
To me, on deserve some friend nana. On to me nyami mi Krontihene. Me krase krukuma no Krontihene. Simple. Honorable minim why am Rashidani ewo kade and sa Akyem Nsuom no Eshewase. Why a former deputy Eastern Regional Minister? Mantam ni nyina no why a deputy pain. Did he can prepare him ni saying?
Oh, minimum no. Me na say me te obuda de we ni manana. I didn't know say onwa. A friend Ringgold. A friend say Ringgold. Ni no. Ni di ankasa no.
107.3.
Na wa contest me pen.
What Gina will NDC take it so
baby that time no CPP. One of the political somersaults. No CPP. No, if independent to CPP to NDC, you don't know where he belongs. It is quite an insignificant, but actually no. And man say Galamsey Sembikra ne mame ehuno. Say he formed a task force purporting to stop people from engaging in Galamsey. Or your videos which went viral. It be crap had opportunity to congratulate him. Say, what me mobilize local people to stop people from Galamsey in Yama. Unfortunately, they say na a smoke screen. He natches or natches or can negotiate.
Akyem Nsuom Krontihene.
Yes, that's the report I had. Yes.
Report to say illegal man in Galamsey or Kahumbi.
Oh yeah.
Hey.
O start say I say o yanko na e omutu yanko stop your nanti na me akasa kra no me free people he's doing well. Then ma afede na akoye bibia wo ho. Eti ho na he had problems with the Nsuom chief. Nsuom chief na nkasa friend of Fusuhene. Enti we know e Krontihene. Enti I'm very much aware say omotu no.
Onye Krontihene bio.
Debi. O chin kra issue statement is on the Facebook ni take what issue statement say we onyo he ewo ochimem
nani ya chano abashisha ni dress no
na say che yeton me kra mu bi na say we yeton o discover me o lady bi friend Adoma o bonwiro be blue bi che ni akunya yeton upa osu umusu
minimo super
ofi Christianborg ba osu alata woru na say stores no
metwa ko tobi ahye
metwa ko kolata bi okoshi ajuma na dinkra otombi wo hono bibia betobia wo skada say we dey
yeto onye Krontihene
Debbie according to Ochehe
incident no be opeye no ho
osagefo amotia for repeni oyo Ochehe ochimamu no ohi bia obi asom no. You cannot be Ohi in Ochimem without the endorsement of Ochehe. But you see what you do ko chere.
No usai.
Only am chen. Nti o chin say onyo he. Eti me your chin. Nti that is what I believe.
Or ye Krontihene ye tu no ade so ana.
That is it. We di Krontihene e we assume e no mo tu no. So no ya attempt to be tu he no.
Hey, wano Krontihene no betu.
Krontihene so tu he. You see, but Kroma Ochime Mankasa, and I think there's a problem in future no SSA omohwe. Asa hinsem no edoso. Ubeko wi se metuwi, ubeko kade ne oho. Akwetia me ne wo kasa sisi ayi. Akwetia hene na busuafo so omoetu no. Ochime so se yintu no. Se busuamu ntimi ntena wo ya tena se kru na nyamo dia. Ewum se mu na mudi ade de. One am no. Aha, enu say wo court. But Akwetia he ntimi nko, he has to go to Akwetia under police protection. Ukokwa aben, there's a problem there. Asamankese until recently there was a problem there. Ubeko assume problem wo ho. Nkwantanan. Almost 30 years in here. One am no he no the Ochihin declared him a persona non grata se wetuno. Inti when Chihin take you over. Or also call court. I think he won in court. Inti for over 30 years omuntimi see he wo. Adanse eyo he wo no, but he doesn't attend Ochima State Council. Ochima money I think say problems for no ma in future. But this guy the parade himself as a chief. But I see me body the parade na nansam na work kan. Na Ghana I taking him be serious. This former chief psychiatrist Asare. Also ya hanu so bi nam ho na onro ne ho ene nam ho ye feel say eno no nti how be hu bibi ke fit executive way ye health screening ni ma ye kwa ne akọ check blood pressure ne your friend diabetes in ma. It's high time we started looking at our mental health. We have to look at our mental health, especially in this modern age of this social media. I will be sorry, TikTok. No, I can't be. And look, radio. Now I can't be. Say apart from more radio, yeah, my be we have online radio.
Yeah.
Ebu wa unu baby kra wo behu omu ni address. Or sending them no I can't be. No or they are to Facebook. No, they are too. And there are people be TBB or radio so of course said that is the truth. Obo timi kan asem so asemi nye koro asama mi ami de maso mati or radio so say of course say anybody sitting behind the console said the otiwa o ka say wadwen you are well informed we ni niema. We say nipa bibiri be hwe wo TikTok e bi be hwe wo Facebook. Yes, some people cry describe me say we are crofo from me assume ni so munum say we ye Krontihene wo kromo ana wo ye mpaboahene wo kromo omnya ate ohene na
yes
assume. I've seen some of the news portals say assume but properly ohene obi awo ba bia obilongo me so what study me on my political platforms me say me campaign ya mobia me kan onipa na hoden nim de any nti asesa otomano. I don't go and talk about another person. Say since one ya meeting we say odo hu fi CPP now do hu akodom NDC buying and some be wo maka. They have talked about 24-hour economy and
the big push
express road the budget buy we almost scrap almost you twa COVID levy money nema you bet me abom abaso anamebwa say bi abanda da no mu ye we na we ma ye say we ni we anamebwa but say openimu ka ye ka say we yo here. Yes, so penny will fee and your peja or him, and I'm a first night came some penny phone in Numyansa. But so ya qualani a peja so here is presumed say penny phoning in our crown, what dreamy with Nim Edao, yes, and then won't. It uses your him a shower. Your mouth cloud be, yenina, you do be ma. Iti or he and Cassa Basa. Say, Oshe a year can say Dr. Baumia. Dr. Brian Champon, Kennedy Japan. And unless say Abia or he not on any ring good na minimum. Sebi or Braben pa na ono wabo me ti fa me ho to Dr. Baomia
okay
me fa me ho to Kennedy Japan
and as I do watch fresh or free Krontihene wo ono so kram to me fa no ho to work
sa na me tese ono no enti se me fa me ho to sankrofo na wo sebe also to fa ho to me cry inferior by all standards.
Inferior goose
By all standards. So the me is sincere to me. By all standards. Sabi apart from Nyansa Bibia say kase yinjimi crap our crap na jimi crap. BBM. Oh yes. Did am use by all standards BBM. They kase ye kanya misem yesua de ye kanya nsasem nyema. Tem ga sebi je ube twa na ma ye kase munyimi crap still abese twa no. Na utimi biwa no. A president, vice president of the republic, for 8 years, former governor of the Bank of Ghana, and name international. Look at Kennedy Japan, Obra Wabo, in his own year, you crown, Sebi. Also, Ninuma will be he employs over 7,000 people. Me actually we nipa a 10 cry age mama na. Oh, and eti so nya kasetia sana. At the end of the day, si ekotwaba na ba umia ewinia. Wo na mechen so yo he. Wo ye penny. Ebia se o na se so da so yo he. Na ebia House of Chiefs ana bibi President Eba Krumho na sa ahemfo na se ne niema. Wo betimi ahwe na ni mechia no.
So sankwas or kasankwas.
Say na make no. I mean ti o your opinion yenkasa wo bedwa. We enyore. We are ye na be ma den. Ye do beto board bi so ye so da board bi so ne. I mean
what the board so.
Other board me no meet. Na o kasa se ya onipa we so ba board meeting asem papa be no.
You
see enti media my advice to him say utia minum se so ntie kro be nyi obi akoka kire ne se su sampa so your hin o che hin de so onyo hin and sampa so your hin unyo hin po a so edi hin pen woni amechen babusu afo ebi omo apa open o mind na tu a o hwe ne kasa mu yi a lot of things ye kan ekotia misi nansen ya miti miami nua ken
Kennedy.
Yeah, oje ni campaign o ye ni obibi factory obi si ni ya. Se ka onya ho akwanya anka ebeboa no woni ameche na aboa nipa. Ba behwe no ensem bia wakambri bia etwamu no. Amafo ye den.
Yes, I refer
no. Though he has departed from that, ebia from now. Woni ameche but so danu bi no tu behwe no na ne awo kenyina no sisi ni enye adwuma oni amechen me ma me tu me fo o se onipa wanim baako ne mu ye ade mienu eje animunyam na se agiden animguase enim baako na baabi a waji wanimunyam no wanimunguase ho na baabi a waji wanimguase no uni animunyam ho because it's the same face by the time animunyam we ba no na animguase na cover order that
of course omo na omo ho animunyam by room
there will be no place other friend there Obudade Ringo I think I will advise him say on share no bibia enu mo de ni hu say onum bibida oni amechen but wo hwe ne ye ya so because we hu ne dade a be seriously I mean such loose talk there enye mi nwanwa but na tanya obi onum bibi obi wa naturally o kan kwasasem obi onum su kro kan kwasasem nti yana su na travel oh no mini ebiozi onu ohu pani a wajimi anya nwanwa because akwala wajimi se nyame anya na dum na wangu a onyia etuomu ano de anyi ndi
master TV anko ogumani wasiro
oh David no you see eya no bi na say obi wo ho a onum bibi bo kanya nsasem
yeah
I know somebody at Tembia will be taking a sip of brandy and not saying constantly. Will also but not drink the whole clip. We shouldn't take it, say. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Go momunum bin any mass because as a obi can cause as one be bobu also where you driver for class drivers we tribute and kaka
right. Honorable for some wise choir, your former MP for Kade, former Deputy Eastern Regional Minister, former Executive Secretary, National Labour Commission. I've here sa atuatia air cosi unpaid nurses. Munjia ka yenko and amudi ka sitag for teacher for ne de keke ka home. I was assuming do mienu under NDC. And then Amasadi we koso Labour Commission where you are paying.
I did
so.
Said this is the second time menya kwenya me can say the last time na me wo my sister station I think Adum FM.
Okay.
And me call Joy Prime so.
107.3
na me can say we say ohwe emrana ewo hanumana se ye fa wa adwuma mu a ye ma won krata appointment letter won am chen na our appointment letter no na ye ma o contract of employment na no ewom emra se once ye fa wa adwuma mu no say private employer ana say a year government na ese so ma o letter na woman no de be ma that is a contract ya twuru say bono hene wo na wo be hostu asase the program etumpan ebnada enyumre bia wo be adwuma fi no wotwe akosi no ndu
the specify adwuma be ye
obia it must state the adwuma o contract no say wo ma adwuma wo be wo nya me kire na wo be adwuma time wo be ba time wo be pon be kire wo break wo nya me kire bibia na ni titu na say kire wo aketua se busumi bia ebetua say
e bia gross be say net be say
anana wotwe bia ebetua say apart from say becho say afinu sika say no say e kire omra ebetua oka it's part of it
se
busumi bia no
e bia 15
pay 30 Ghana it busumi wu a say eden ebetua well it is the duty of the employer the offer we dwum ni se busumi so a anana wotwe ananhye bia moye kro be no so eden odiso saa so na wo so ayafa wa dwuma mu no si eso be adwuma wo be husu atumpan from no wotwe kosi no ndu a ebebo no wotwe no so eden oha na se wo adwuma mu ha na se wo no wotwe abo atumpan Ghana fo nyina etuni 107.3 eba bitiu na yesi bono hene ama enu tini ye bonyuma na ade achi saa be se busumi ana busumi mienu a eden na afu se besi
kenjuaka ye be yiwadi kra yeah
uma adwuma busumi Ghana fo nyina atuni they will tune to other stations ana meboa nti ye be de ye be yiwadi efi se adwuma na ya fa wo no ya kire so wi na bra na be so who employee no o part of the contract no and say obeba no abehusu atumpan no na wo su atumpan ni wie a di asase radio ye ne dia no fa wadwum se be ye atumpan no ono so ne dia ne se den obetua oka zone amechen na eden na obi a wafa na adwumam ebeba no be na adwuma pepepe na wo dia wo nye den un discharge o part of the contract. That is the problem yewo. That is the law, labor law no access 51 no say the employee ni be any there now so why then why o there now as aban any labor organizations and employers ye nyina ya tenase ahihye mra say mra we na ye de be den ye de be adwuma wo Ghana eye den na aban a woni number 1 esese wudi mra so fi so bia butia mra se wo wia ma de a me kwaku no wia ma de but se me ko report wo police si ade kokota yen ka se kwaku versus Bonohene o
the republic
yeah aban beji agina mu se da bi ubu mi kwasea woni am chen ana ye me fraud cry say bibia etia ya aban na gigiem te kopese the republic fisa ban na se so eden obomra ne wo den ban se me no kra privately me take civil action against you na kokota court judge not onye yi ne chianka ye ma me judgment na se me bad ma ba be down okra court beliefs no be di akire ni police na aban na eden ichuomuka etu hwa aban na hwe se emra ebe eden ebe ye djuma wo man no na fe no nipa na ye di tumi ahye ne nsa se o ma mra nya adjuma no na so no amfa mra anya adjuma na se bi ye koya na se ye bae se aban afa anesfo se munye adjuma na adjuma on yi untua ne ka bosumi nye baako bosumi du na ya na mibuza mu se ya na onfo se onye den no adidi se bi se lebre ni a odo abase na wantua ne ka se ne ode ne dade ato na wa yeden otini baby na nurse ni a ekom de no ubehwe panie no ye se de wo tokura no de akowo yem ana say now a lot of things happen
of course
na say mribi atwam is it Konfanochi or Kumaso baby obi ase etwa 9 bi nkumo ntwa nifa later no mu so my mistake ntina fe ti afa ase etwa ba kun kan na ye twa 9 bi no ni nyina it happened in this country me nipa bi ase man moja they gave him the wrong blood
wow
Ghana here moja ase the man
the group ni amfasa
there
wow
gave him contact ekowie in South Africa finally we now for say so nipa no na dwimu da ho ye tua ne ka ne bibi amemre mfini ye kom ye vanya adwuma
besa bani siskani ho
eti sikani ho a ede na kire se fada adwuma ana meti ye se minyafu amedo ana
ba oni sikan uni asase a so
onafu ana se wo asase wo na wo fa libres na untimi ntua o maka form you see na last na me ka say just before the nurses strike no na minister for health na wako mitakando na wako Jubilee House sa mu periodic briefing no and ye baye ya fa 13,000 nurses ya fa we ni abo nsema ma wa fa 10 le ka say ye fa nurses ana ye fa adwuma ye fa yintuo muka say ne ka mi so ne ma fa nurses ni bi ye adwuma ma bi clinic afro yin so do wanu afọ ma yintuo muka. That is not it. We shouldn't pride ourselves and say ye tu ye ho na wo hwa ye ho say ya fa nipa du adwuma mo mra nipa du ni yintuo muka. Em say Bible kra wo verse na minim say so bi ye adwuma ma wo
odwumani ese fatana ketua
se fatana ketua na wa fa na ketua mana wabu emraso right. I don't think say what the government is doing it is not right.
Okay,
they are in breach of the labor law. But idea ya na me nwanwane say yeso ya ha no mentimi hu say farmer nyame principle no nipa na afọ adwuma no o anko adwuma 10 days a obeyi wadi for vacation of post aname bua also they were for what in 10 months na people ya wo labor court they don't last na make say it had the labor court no mutimi ko anamfo za ban zama no
unions so dey betimi akọ labor court
unions betimi akọ individuals betimi akọ. The labor court is there.
But labor court,
the national labor commission, the labor court, a bankrupt for nominating for. Judge me a bankrupt for.
Abandi tuanika.
Abandi tu. Now the all I'm saying, you be anibu attention. The judges they are not supposed to be political. Though be no politics there. But the judges some also.
Okay.
We have over 2,000 judges. Now the emba say we need GDA wo a friend day. Court no say judge no labor commission for nya aban di twomka nipa 7 netio nipa 7 ne di asem no aban di emienu private employers Ghana employers di emienu and labor unions di emienu na chairman of the commission no labor unions no any employers no na dey no it will be no more 2.5 and amebwa it is awful so they court and a court ebeka say ebia judge na bind it ya nika ne ya for National Labor Commission there's a labor commission cry interest ka free o de wasam ko na omo free and ani panson it is a be a court na so judge baako aban betimi ehuna how to be free ni panson ni nyina but what would they call labor yi na would they call na how union more representatives so na mechen eti I don't but obi ati ho incheka no makoye placards no money nam ho no makoda ministries na ya kan bibi achom no mko ana near the police for abepam no mko the law is there on mechen but people don't avail themselves to the use of the law and sometimes sinim no munimo se bu no mbo but I think say the union leaders in this country before you become a union leader no, you should know the law. But you know, show Ghana na asade is it mensa utabo o se Ghana cry yare ho ni ye DJ cry ya utimi hu obi awo ye to badin ye bonyum ne yesa anamebwa ye ko ye yare ho ye bonyum ne yesa demonstration omo ko demonstration ya hu no ma ko Brisbane near the you know mo bonyum no mo sa sometimes you can distinguish our joy from our pain. It's a business as usual. Minister no nze den mo be ko akotuto ko jan mo ko fa pan logo for na mo ko akofa e friend the Brisbane na mo bonyum na mo sawo lorry kwema mo be jan ministry oni aka bia chem na mo ko is business as usual. But if you were taken to court na monya judgment e wo court ana se commission enya na eduko na yesi yentua muka na yentua na mo enforce judgment na mo ko execution aka minister ka na esi yo no yesi untua skama mo tua mo the execution mo the red band so that the yeah the anopa ni minister odi ni ka ni be si wa na belief for the red akobo won as minister ka untimi ntu ye ton the tua we nu ka na ya I remember one time me won Lebanon there was something against Ministry of Labor. One of the Ghana see your account. Ghana see account no. Your account so the meka na ya meka say usik account no. Sika bi ebetumbia na yenye de. Enfema. It is all my way. E no manya order no ko Ghana see ministry account. Anka sika mo de beto ka sika mo de be brunya party we nyese. Muntu anes for ne ka. Don't be steady. The ministry cannot be there or money bank account. But as a business as usual, a cofa palogo, a cofa brassband, near the Kojabu iti, near Sawa Lord Kwema, near Kwago Jambi, a cook with Pansam Lubia Codifi. Right.
Honorable officer, some young call on my image of your name here, Pandai. O my image of the fear trocata coma yisino, say, or more declare Pandai city no vacant in tea, yisino to 2 ABS or we be an 1 year, no more rerun, wo fire fa legal path so mrakwine so na yentim no ma bi ase so obi di asem court na court no ye ruling wie na nipa no asem na nkoyi ama no what the stay of execution na no apply for stay of execution a den eka den ese mrane ye
na ufiase no ka se obi di asem court na se yedima wa wo 7 days say ode u peso ya pila okoya pila no sheda nye correct
okay
say ubi dibem wa na se court bu asema we say Nsuom twam ansa na wo a wudi bem no
obim die na ye adwuma
aye adwuma
okay
say oye wie a say di court ni di asem ni wie a ne ka say wo udin crowd zen bono hene beje 20,000 ewo me hono ma eno kire se opi court room hono na wa joso me first no asem na court na kan you be tintim okrata so a friend entry of judgment after trial
okay
eno na ebe kire se we be tintim krata na ye de amame wo de abreme se me ofusu asam court se me ngi sa sika we wo so na me ten se sa abuma no emma me hono ma bimna wedi no untimi enye den enji sika no na se utintim sa anwoma no e de bremi wie a esese Nsuom twam ansa na sika no betu ho anamo no waje sɛ wobɛtɔn ma ade atua ka sɛ wobɛba bɛda me ka sɛ wode mɛkɔ court sɛ yɛnhyɛ me na memetua sika no wɔ hɔ ne nneɛma you need 7 days nti sɛ yɛdi asɛm no wie na sɛ bosome miɛnsa nan na sɛ wo serve me entry of judgment after trial ne sɛ sei na court kan kra na ɛno kra no still a wontumi mɛyɛ nti the first thing is to serve the entry judgment no on me the decision of the court no
okay
na ɛno no wie a nanso betwam ansa na asɛm a court ne kan no wobɛtu ho anamo adi a wadi na wo a wo pɛ itia wo na sɛ wo ho asɛm ka sɛ wobɛkɔ appeal ne nneɛma ne deɛ ɛno deɛ wo bɛyɛ bosome miɛnsa
ɛnyɛ nanso no
dabi nanso no yɛ sɛ
wotwɛn ya bosome miɛnsa
dabi nyɛ sɛ wotwɛn ya mtɛ wo fiti saa da na yɛdi asɛm na de kɔ bosome miɛnsa
nti yɛdi wie nnɛ koraa kyena wobɛtumi ayɛ appeal no
wobɛtumi atwɛn bosome mienu na emu wo twɛntwɛn so a deɛ wadi bim no so serve judgment na after 7 days no bɛkɔ atia wo nti da biribia na ɛsɛ woyɛ ne ntɛm no now nti saa na ade ne teɛ na sɛ ade ne sɛ woyɛ appeal no sɛ asɛm na ɛkɔti ame no mene ne nya adwen nti mekɔyɛ appeal a ɛsɛ sɛ wo apply for stay of execution so wo file appeal sɛ asɛm no menti aseɛ nti yɛnsa nhwehwɛ mu a ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ bim no a wadi no atɔ nkyɛn o ɛda so yɛ adwuma nti wobɛtumi ayɛ biribi a ɛsɛ sɛ ɔyɛ tia wo no ayɛ nti ɛno na wobɛkɔ court sɛ court nhyɛ ne sɛ wɔ mmerɛ a appeal no ɛda hɔ no
appeal ni yɛ dɛn
appeal sɛ o yɛdi asɛm na wante aseɛ na wode kɔ w'anim sɛ yɛnsa nhwehwɛ mu
okay
na
mene the ordinary Ghanaian na edin kɔ
sɛ bia wo wadi asɛm wadi atia me mesɛ asɛm wei deɛ mente aseɛ nti mede bɛkɔ ne kɛseɛ mu ɛyɛ wo mpanimfoɔ hɔ sɛ high court nipa baako ɛne tena ase na ade kɔ appeal na judges no yɛ miɛnsa ɛne bɛtena so ti so asɛm a yi bunu hindi deɛ mante aseɛ nti mede kɔ ne kɛseɛ mu na bia yɛyi nipa miɛnsa wonya me bia yɛyi ɔkyerɛdaako yɛyi yawmanu ɛna kwadwo miɛnsa sɛ ti kronko agina nti we deɛ yi ba santena so na yɛhwɛ asɛm no nti so mbɛtia ɔmtena so ano mbɛka sɛ appeal no ɛne yɛfrɛ no appeal sɛ mante ase nti yɛnsa nhwehwɛ mu wonya me kyɛ no ha na sɛ wante ase na wode kɔ soro sɛ yɛnhwehwɛ mu a wɔ mmerɛ a yɛhwehwɛ mu na ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ deɛ yɛka wɔ ase hɔ no yɛde ato nkyɛn nti agye sɛ wo a wode kɔ sɛ wante aseɛ no wosan ebusa court na ɛwɔ soro no sɛ ɛsan deɛ bu no hɛn kan na mante ase a mesi mu hwehwɛ mu no nti no momma kwasi mensa wodi bim no mo hyɛ ne sɛ ebim no di no ma ontu ho anamo kosi sɛ ɛbɛyɛ dɛn mo bɛhwehwɛ mu bɛwie ɛne yɛ friend stay of execution
okay
fi sɛ ebi a yɛ hwehwɛ mu wɔ soro hɔ na yɛnsi wo ho kwan ana yɛnhyɛ wo sɛ twɛn ansa na woba na wobɛgye wo sika no wɔ me hɔ wie na wadi na sɛ yɛhwehwɛ mu na sɛ yɛka sɛ ɛne wo kwan sɛ mtwa no wadi sika no awie ana ebi a wawu koraa mɛɛdɛ na mesa kam sika na kyɛ sɛ ebim na medi wɔ soro no mfasoɔ bi ama so eti sɛ wode kɔ soro sɛ wohwehwɛ aseɛ nhwɛ asɛm wɔ a woma yɛ de ɔhyɛ ɛto de odi bem no so sɛ asɛm na ɔyɛɛ no ɔhome so na yɛhwehwɛ asɛm no wie ɛne yɛfrɛ no stay of execution
right. The second question is wɔmayi mmara so dwa fie menim sɛ ɔmo wɔ ɔmo mmara a ɔmo de yɛ adwuma wɔ wɔmayi mmara so dwa fie ɛna Ghana mamra no so ɛwɔ hɔ deɛ ɛyɛ na ɛyɛ superior
mamra no na ɛyɛ superior the constitution no yɛ superior mmara bia ni hɔ a ɛkyɛn constitution no ɛne primus inter pares all laws na no na ɛyɛ panyin
okay so and then ɛbɛba court bɛyɛ ruling sɛ obi bɛ apply for stay of execution na mmarahyɛ dwa fie for bɛka sɛ yɛnhwɛ no but yɛ declare seat no vacant sɛ yɛatwerɛ krataa kɔma yisi sɛ yisi nkɔyɛ rerun no pandai
ɛno na ɛhɔ no kyerɛ madwen kakra especially mmara mehu letter no data ɛwɔ so no because one the mere filing of applications or the application to for stay of execution in there in Pokeno nkyerɛ the execution has been stayed sa fe na wo se yɛnhyɛ no na ebumu no the ma o de kɔ o file a ɛsɛsɛ nipa no ɛtwɛn so ne sɛ yɛfrɛ bibi overreaching sɛ ebia
ɔmo brofo
odi wanim na ade aka obɛyɛ no obɛyɛ bibi a wodi bim kran ko se hwe so na me kyɛn me kɔ sɛ yɛnhyɛ wo sɛ sa aduane we mendi kosisi ebedi asɛm ne bewie na me de akoto court ani now some de akoto court anim na ebia ebedi asem na dwada wo se me se yen hye na yen hye wuti kwasi ada no akodi aduane no eti afa wo se o hye ne beba na aduane no kwa wadi awie eti na bim na medi ye na na se dem de kodan court no afaso bia amaso wa overreach decision no asem na muaye na ebeba no what say na dadate wa bibia eba kra afaso be ne eni so woni am chen isa sa overreaching ntini ya ni say so nipa ne de koto ho nko a na so unim say o de ato ho na court be di asem we you should overreach the court.
Court no ye really mo so kra no
and say wo ye bibia ebe ma court na asem ba mfaso bia maso because untimi nye bibia ebe bu court no nimtia say maka kra enkosi wu. So the identity.
Right, but obi yes stay of execution.
Yes,
remember, so obi yes stay of execution no, and I'm pesi ehua de pa. Obi yes stay of execution no, I said was several party no we involved no with criteria say we apply for stay of execution.
Yes.
Okay.
Say my so na ye wedi bim.
Okay.
And I walk akọ fa de no. And I mean person wo be fa fi say me see ensan wiwim. It is a me say yen fa o hyento so a me de kokota. Ese say court no nguma no ye de be serve ye de brew. Na hu because am de court na hu ya so de hu hwe. It will be koso aye de yi court aso akasa ye no. Bim na wedi no. It is say ye de copy na ade na me de akoto court no. Se yen fa o hyento so no. E se ye de bi brew. Na hu say bunu hu ni ofusu asamoa de akoto court say ayi bim na wedi no hu me so ansa. It must be served on you. Now, okay. That is how it is.
Right, so the kosi Edom Kumano say famra kwan so again na say Edom Kumano ye MPP Mashibija for no ye and I said the person in question Pandai Mashibija ni honorable Matunindam wo ye
say CCR no also on tiase say wa file appeal and wa file stay of execution as I say omutimi serve on the parties will be our samani bia. So was some parliament so was some electoral commission so was some abanyo say be a judge na sem na we do ani ni wie ni man so obi a wabo ni din bia no say asem no wa no hu yi no so 7 no na fi almost stay execution no enti me wom say omatwro a friend dey
krata ama yisi there but if they are successful in court bit me she yisi say asem na ba ye hwehwem enti menye election bia ho me so answer once the court says it that is all but oma file so ma sign file ba so Supreme Court say asem di na papa ni di ni kura omuntwam enti say Supreme Court so hwehwem no ka say asem no di ni kura mfa mrakwam enti yentwam a ene na wo hye ode obibia abuagu if he say we see who do asem kokota say bia obono he wasamame say mafa o ABC and D dia wo dia kokot na court na say den ehwehwem nti za court ntimi hwem ka say o hwem kra ufa ABC and D ne ya hwem kra ka say da no kra wo san kofa na duane bi ana kofa na sase bi kan eno any court nanim John Amichen. The idea bro now come asem. Etimi ana we na ye minya kakra say onipa ne say election na omoye no ontiase. Na ye kinkan polling stations ne doso. Ne mu aduanan ba ko say aduanan me enum. Eno wo ho asem. Aduanan ba ko 41 polling station. 41. Enti mu hwehwem. Na ye nkan ni bio say entu ni bio. Afei de ye nkoti akot say o. Ye nkoto ni nyina bio. Onipa ne se dia kan nyino wagye atum na emodi owo ho asem kan ye etimi hu se dia kan over 100 na kan se court na omo ho asem kan enti no msi ye ntwamu kira adwin kakra but ekọ appeal no judges net na so na ebehu na me de madwi am de te ha eni kakra minim ne de binum se wasem no de odi kodan court no eno mu hwehwem ni ama hu muaye na court na no entimi going on a floric of their own ono entimi hye se mene nam busybody o se aduanan na mu mi ami hwehwem a de bi se anko entwayi ma who say critics be compare contrast that of asem not mrashebejani dachi question there no difference be the war mienu we mu
of our cases are decided on their own merits.
Can you treat me into say
asem na wo dia dan court no ene na ye hwehwem yenkase eyi debi ne kra bibi we see ya is a politics no and then this by no me say na MPP say na mobile na mu ye say na me no eti na ohwe court a tembia no minim so wahu eyi na esi court na e kire ye mfrene skill of justice na de sashen bibi a mfrene ya chance dia na se bibi a ya wo se onipa na okura de adidi asem no nani efra wakata nani ohu ade na so pe eti de oka no eno ye den
oti
but
onhwe wu
nipadua na ana onhwe de si wo baabi woni amechen eti de amafo na jachi kwesin na wewe ne de ene da no asem de ene ka ye kan ye nwida woni amechen unless say ebia a superior court akan bibi say bia asema ye di wo high court no sa asem na bi akọ your friend in the appeal court and now Supreme Court and na Supreme Court akan bibi dia ene na your high court no ese se odi asem na ense so chia no eso difa de nimpenin for akandada no
okay
na de ko fa jachi question de ne we ne different thing jachi question de sem se ne de na okra dual citizenship ana meboa o ye ka de ukra dual citizenship a untimi enko parliament e o Ghana ana mboa na court wie mu e do ukra dual citizenship e de so ukra dual citizenship de any fi parliament ana mboa
different from we
different we de o se abana ye to ye no omo kan ye no 41 police stations yankan ye eti yansan kan bio ananye za eti eno no eno ne zai
right hoso issue ho say ni bia me de masem call court no me say me yen krukru me yen dabo mpreku ene omo keka ka ho na me say me nkokɔ num ane awia ede na court do ka say ene o mpreku ni ho ahwa nyina ne yensan nkɔ ne yenkɔ kinkan ni nyina
say na me ko ni be oba yi wanka preku asem wanka o se ni nkokɔ na ayira o se mi wiem gra me o so mpreku bi kra ayira o kra o ye nantwi wo dambai iti yenkɔ dambai nkɔ hwe say yi nantwi ni bi yira ya o na me chen ana o di bi ma fulani ni bi say o hwe so e wa from place yenkɔ hwe say pepepa na ese court na nkasa esikrum na
omo pasemedi
I'll pass medi so sami ke doso di event chira adwin kakra esa na akoye se ye wo yi ura bi Lord Denny oye British judge bia in fact o agidin pa o se ye di asem judges no kra mu di asem kra na ense se o kasa kra judge bi o wa ku ko asem no abusa o aso no di asem no o kasa yidin ena na obo kra do kasa se lawyer no o so yes happen one asem no asem no two na ko yes asem no one kasa wo
interest
e wa asem no o esa asem no kan yiye kra na obi azo onu amu na de na wachi ana so dada o di asem na
right
nti judge de we calm na ote ho
okay
uti ha ubebie wa no a na obeden ubebu aten ubebu sa asem bia na bia de obi kan ya wanti ase yi ebebua watemu no e na ubusa woni ameche that is how a judge should conduct himself na afi de what try no kra ma afi de yamfa ma wanim kra no wasi krum erere se o se nkokɔ na ira ma me ye se o ye nkrokro kra wo eyi o mpreku wa nti enko so nko yese o so bia ira ne it doesn't really make it
right me nim say what no man yima shebudwa fie pen asemra shebudwa ni ana wo kade and wunim right honorable Aban Sumana Babini passe or a learned lawyer or a mranimni. So winim winyina na speaker winim winyina.
Oh, in fact, semikase unim dia enyena mabrenyame. Mikotono ho. Mene natna ho. Tama na mi serve on ECPU, Africa, Caribbean, Pacific and European Union Parliament. Na me represent Ghana. Me meeting move for 4 years. But ono be 1 year ansa na ayeni badia yi. Me ne tukwan. Me ne national parliament as colleague lawyers yidin komo. In and out of parliament na oyobia unimade. Enim de eko. But eto de bia nipa de enye ni nyina na unyan pepepe. Oh, they are bitching. And young lawyers nankasa ni say you training is different. And your mass no aka say 1 + 1 is.
And your political spectacle.
107.3.
Training is different.
And your political spectacle.
It thought there be a yellow. It thought you see he's not sitting there as a judge. And he's not sitting there as a lawyer.
But when no,
he's sitting there as speaker. I say But you see, the danger is between a speaker of parliament, especially with your Hanomono, our party in the Yuba. Well, you must hold the party line.
Party Najman is a way.
In fact, Kawi speaker there and Kawai is a referee. Oh, them gen. Now, as a ball, I echo boy Kotokoni has a kobo. Now, you see, you need Paba Kuna, Umidi referee, Yankofa referee Fiabontin. Near ye has for board chairman. Now, ye a Kotoko for board chairman, Semontu Abani Baku. Libiaku ye Kotoko for board chairman, so only man. It will be now on the Adwini Nan to be our referee there, SSL Oye neutral. But in the background, say Kotoko board chairman.
I'm making my house of folk, Mesha Kotoko.
You.
Right,